Namaste everyone, I am Sandeep from Raj Yoga Rishikesh. In this video, I will explain to you about Kapalbhati Pranayam. What is Kapalbhati, how to practice it, and what are the benefits and precautions of practicing Kapalbhati. First of all, what is Kapalbhati? So Kapala means skull, Bhati means to sign. So Kapalbhati means skull signing breathing. So in this pranayam, we actively exhale and inhalation is passive. Now I demonstrate to you how to practice Kapalbhati pranayam as a beginner. First of all, be seated in any comfortable pose, simple cross leg. You may sit on the chair or on the floor. Make sure that your spine is upright, your shoulders are relaxed, your chest is wide open. Look at your eye level. With your both palm, you can make Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Your palm is resting on your knee. In this pranayam, we will actively exhale. So first we start with beginner technique. So I recommend you that you slowly exhale. Okay. So in the beginning, you exhale, for example, 2 seconds, 1 exhalation. 30 seconds, only 15 exhalation. So do it very slowly like this. Okay, so engage your abdominal muscle and exhale, and make sure that you are not exhaling too fast. Make it very simple and slow. 2 seconds, 1 exhalation. Okay, so let's start. Close your eyes. 1 deep breath in and exhale very slowly. Once you're done, slowly open your eyes. So in the beginning, I recommend you to do it very slowly. 2 seconds, 1 exhale. Because if you are doing it too fast in the beginning, like there is a chance that you may hurt your membranes in nasal cavity. Because Kapalbhati pranayam is a active pranayam. It generates heat. You may feel dizzy. You may hurt your membranes in your nasal cavity. Do it very slowly in the beginning. Do not jerk yourself like okay. So be calm and stable. Engage your abdominal muscle and slowly exhale. 2 seconds, 1 exhalation. So once you practice this for quite some time, gradually you can speed up. You can go up to 1 second, 1 exhalation. Okay, like so you can speed up the process for intermediate practice. So let's practice little faster. 1 second, 1 exhalation. 1 deep breath in and start Kapalbhati pranayam. Once you practice, slowly open your eyes. So in the next level, you are speeding up, but you are not going too much fast. Once you're done, slowly open your eyes. So this is how you can speed up your practice. So in the beginning, you can practice this very slowly. You can practice it for 3 to 5 minutes. You can do multiple rounds. You can practice 3 times in 3 minutes or 5 minutes. The best time for practicing it early morning or evening time. Make sure that you are on empty stomach. So do not practice it if you are having a meal. practice it on empty stomach. Kapalbhati pranayam has enormous benefit. As we actively exhale in this pranayam, it cleans up our system. The carbon dioxide from our lungs goes out, and it also metabolically clean up our each cell. It also massage our abdominal area and very helpful for our abdominal limbs like liver, kidney. It also helps our digestion and help in weight loss. You should avoid the practice of Kapalbhati pranayam if you are having fever, headache or high blood pressure. Other time you can practice it as long as you are breathing normally and you are in normal health condition. So this can bring up lots of health benefit. So now I conclude. Namaste, Dhanyavad.